Want your app users to be able to talk to Aria and interact with your app directly through it? Well, now they can. With App Tools, you can connect your app's functionality to Aria and let users access it directly from the Wix dashboard where they manage their site and business. Today, we're going to learn how App Tools work and how you can add them to your app. Any functionality your app can perform, you can expose as a tool, including retrieving data, running workflows, completing actions, and calling third-party APIs and services. So instead of users opening your app and navigating through its different features, they can simply tell Aria what they want to do. In this demo, we'll start with an existing Wix app and add App Tools to it using a Wix skill. You can also add App Tools manually, but we recommend using the App Tools skill. You can learn more about both options in the description. So here I already have an FAQ Manager app that lets users create and manage FAQ sets and their questions and answers, and I want to make some of this functionality available through Aria. Let's start by writing our prompt to the AI agent and include the Wix App Tools skill so the agent knows exactly how to set everything up in our app. Once the agent is done, we can see that it created and configured everything we need for our App Tools, including the App Tools extension and the tools provider. The App Tools extension defines the tools we make available to Aria, what each tool does, and what information it needs. And the tools provider contains the logic that runs when Aria actually uses one of those tools. In our case, the agent created tools that let Aria work with our existing FAQs and added the logic needed to retrieve and manage the FAQ data in our app. Now let's check that everything works. For that, make sure to release your app. Once it's done, we'll run npm run dev in the terminal and head over to our test site's dashboard, where our app is already installed so we can see what this looks like from the user side. Because our app provides App Tools, Aria can now use its functionality directly from the Wix dashboard. I'll start by asking Aria to show me all the FAQ questions in my app. Then I'll ask it to create a new FAQ set and add a question to it. Aria finds the relevant tools provided by our app and uses them to complete each request. And as you can see, the new FAQ set and question have been added. And that's it. With App Tools, your app's functionality becomes part of the way users interact with Aria, giving them a more direct way to get things done from their Wix dashboard. Thanks for watching.